Welcome to the Career Helper app. This website is done by Amanda and Yian. This is our landing page, and this is our about page with the footer. So when a user first lands in the page and tries to click on my profile or my tracker, if the user hasn't signed in, they will be redirected to the sign in page. So for example, if the user hasn't signed up already, we can go to the registration page and let's say Windows with into@gmail.com. This confirm password will check if the passwords are matching or not. If not, the user won't be able to register and sign up. So now we've successfully registered, we can sign in right here. We have to use our email for that as the user login. So when the user has successfully signed in, it will be redirected to the profile page. And here is where the user can update his or her profile or their profile. So career website, let's say career interests, education, let's just do NEU, skills, Python, JavaScript, Java, and skills you would like to work on, let's say nothing, country of residence, USA, CA, and we can do a little experience here. Let's do lorem ipsum, save. When the profile is saved, we can return to the profile page and see that it shows up in your profile. And when you go back to edit again, it'll be saved and you can continue to edit it or just leave it as it is. Amanda, do you want to talk about the profile and tracker?
Yeah, so after you edit the profile from the edit page, you see it shows up the technical skills you put in, the experience you put in, and skills you want to work on. And now for the application status, nothing is showing up on the chart yet. So you can go to My Tracker to add or edit or delete everything that you want to save. So for example, like the first company, Sway Intern, this one, we can, if you don't click apply or anything, the default setting would just be like a stored job. So for example, this one is just a saved job. And then I'm going to do a test that, for example, this one is offer. For here, you can always like not put anything or add anything. I'm going to do a few more tests so the chart will load up. Put like a few offers here. And then put a withdrawal. So hypothetically, if you put in an extra like line that you didn't meant to, you can definitely delete it out of the database. And for example, like if you by mistake put in something that you didn't want it and wanted to edit instead, for example, this one should be test 1, 2, 3, and this one should be like a withdraw. You can update it and it will update towards the database. And then here I'm going to add a few more tests here. For example, this one, I add a date and I interviewed. So if you see here, we have one saved, offered, 2 offers, 1 reject, 1 withdraw, 1 interview. And it shows up on our profile page that just now we did the edit that shows up all the skills, and now we have the offers. So yay, we have 2 offers that we stored in our tracker. And just now we saved 1 job. So it says like we saved 1 job. And now towards the job, I'm gonna let Yian continue with the job search here.
So this is our job search page, where all the jobs are listed. And there is a pagination here, so users can choose to go to the next 4 pages or whatever page. And if the user wants to search for a particular job they're interested in, they can type in the keyword search bar. So for example, let's say software engineer, wrong spelling. And we hit enter, it'll show up all the software engineering jobs. And if they want to search by company name, let's say Lassie, for example, it'll search by company name. So that's about our project. The user can log out finally, and it'll be logged out successfully. Then they can't go into Tracker or My Profile anymore unless they have signed in. So that's our project.
Thank you.